And we got some clicks, guys. We're generating traffic. The road to 50K has officially begun. Remember, in my previous videos, we talked about taking a product that we created, creating a membership product. If you do not know how to do that, I will create a video on creating your own product. Hit your first 50K, possibly even six figures within 6 to 12 months doing that. And in this case, we're using paid traffic with Google Ads. And as you see, I have some traffic. Now, this is kind of weird because that was today and this is yesterday. For some reason, this window is not allowing me to do 2 days in a row. For the 8th and the 9th. Today's the 9th. It's not allowing me to show the 9th for some reason. But you can see here I drove 16 clicks and I averaged $1.76 per click. Rather expensive for our YouTube course that I'm driving traffic to. Of course, if you're interested in looking to see what that course looks like, go ahead, click the link down below. It's my course, YouTube 30-Day Domination, $7 per month, teaching people how to grow their YouTube channels. And we see some information that's telling me my ad strength is poor. I drove 16 clicks. My CTR is pretty good, actually, 14.6%. And my average click cost per click is $1.76. And I paid a total of $28.22. Now let's go ahead and look into this a little bit more. Go into the keywords, and none of my phrase match has driven any traffic. None of it. The only thing that's been driving traffic is the exact match. And of course, exact match is going to cost more money because it is a specific keyword and other people are targeting specific keywords, more competition, thus the higher price of clicks. However, if down the line I find that exact match keywords are bringing me sales, then it may be worth the $1.76 per click. Ooh, this one's $1.99 per click. What's that? Grow my YouTube channel. Wow, that's pretty expensive. I really wasn't trying to pay no more than 50 cents per click. I did drive some traffic earlier. I'm going to show you the crazy thing about this. Okay, this is today. Totally different costs. Okay. I don't know if this is the Google algorithm learning what I'm doing, but I really didn't put too much stipulations on it. Where is it at? Uh, 1,000 for YouTube subscribers, got 1 click. Here we go. Again, I believe, let's see, best way to grow your YouTube channel got 4 clicks. And we're paying 40 cents today per click. Now, I like those numbers a lot better. That makes me feel a whole lot better. Let's see if that's here. Best way to grow your YouTube. Yep, that got 8 clicks. So the same keyword for yesterday and today is getting the most traffic. But today it's a lot cheaper. Now that could be a couple of different things. These clicks came early in the morning. This is first thing in the morning, about to be 10:30 a.m. These clicks were prior to, excuse me. But I want to show you something else that's rather interesting. This is the campaign that I rebuilt. I think I left that out. I rebuilt this campaign and threw some words in there, find some more keywords, and I also added a ClickMagick link. Here's ClickMagick. It's to help me track my keywords and all of that, so that when a sale comes, I know what keyword produced the sale. I also know the time and all types of other information, the type of phone, or whether it was a computer or not. If I go back, let me see here. I'm going to go back to all campaigns, overview, campaigns. And earlier I did a test campaign for $1.50 per day. instead of paying $25 per day. That's also another change that I made. This is rather interesting. Let's go ahead and change the date. Last 14 days. Let's do this month. Because I drove some traffic. Here we go. And you'll notice all of them came through as phrase match. Wow. So what's going on? Why am I getting a whole bunch of phrase match clicks for 25 cents, 24 cents, 33 cents versus me paying $1.76 for clicks right now? Oh, here's our famous phrase. And look at that. 24 cents per click. And the click-through rate is rather high. So why is that, ladies and gentlemen? This is a rather interesting case. I'm going to say that it's because I put the price cap per click on this campaign as opposed to our new campaigns. I did not put a maximize click value. I believe the maximized click value for this campaign was about 25, 35 cents per click. I could have possibly put 50 cents, but on this other one, I did not. So the moral for me right now is, so I'm letting this run, especially if I'm able to continue to get other clicks for 40 cents per click within the exact match, I'm going to let it run. But if it continues to fluctuate up towards like over 50 cents, 60 cents, I don't want to pay that. I'm not paying $1.76 per click for a very long time, all right? Unless I get a sale very quickly. I only want to spend $100 on this campaign to review my data and see if I can get a sale. And so the only thing I can think about is that Google will spend your money if you do not give it restrictions. It's good to gather data. However, I guess it's kind of an advanced trick, an advanced technique if you know what you're doing. If you're just starting, so be it, right? But I would recommend that you do some research, see how much the keywords are per click on average, and bid lower. You don't need to necessarily bid for the top place of the page. I don't need to be on page one in position one. I'm cool with being on page one, position 3, 4, 5, 6. Because if they're scrolling down, they're still not finding what they want and they still see my product and they click on it, hey, I'm good. I can get the same amount of data for way much of a fraction of a click. So that's where we're at right now. I'm trying to get my first sell. I will keep you guys updated. Day number 2, haven't spent $50 total yet. I spent 28 yesterday. Looks like I spent $8, I think, today. And we'll see how this goes. So I'll keep you guys updated. Road to 50K, baby.